Hi, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm showing the project that I created. It's a choker necklace that I created with the Darice bead weaving kit that I received. And instead of doing the bracelet, I did this last night on live stream showing how I was using this. And I created a choker necklace. But with this kit, you get everything you need. Let me open it up again because I showed it on that if you haven't seen it. You get the lid turns into a weaving loom. So you can weave on this loom. And then you get all your beads, your different beads. And you get your thread and your scissors, your instructions. And your bead balls to make your bracelets and necklaces or whatever you're going to make with it. You get your thread. I don't know what I did with my thread. It's some, I was using, it probably fell on the floor. But you get thread with it, and you get a needle. Yeah, you get the sewing thread and a needle and all. And it's like a beginner kit, so it's a beginner kit that you begin with. A beginner bead weaving kit. And I think I like it. What I didn't like about it was they had these little sticky things that you put where you put your warp for your weaving. And I didn't like because it wasn't sticking. I just took and hot glued these on the lid so I can warp my thread for my weaving. So yeah, it comes, like I said, it comes with a lot of different beads. A lot of different beads you get. You get like 14 different colors. And I showed this last night on the live stream. And this is the package that it came out of. Gives you a couple project ideas back there. And this is the Darice bead weaving kit, and that's what this is. And I created a choker for my daughter, and I'll show you how I did it. Let me move this out of the way. Still got to find my thread. I don't know what I did with that. It might have rolled on the floor here. But this is the choker that I was weaving on the live stream last night. I weaved this about 5 inches. And then I used satin ribbon. I adhered it to satin ribbon. And then I just added some jewelry findings. Like added a chain and a lobster claw and jump rings, and added all that on there. And this is adjustable. I made this for my daughter. This was the first project that I created with this Darice bead weaving kit. And it's real pretty. And this is adjustable. This here I made 12 inches. From here to here is 12 inches. And I added a 3-inch chain on it. So it can fit up to a 12-inch neck, like right to here. And then it can fit up 3 more inches, would be 15-inch with the chain. So it would fit up to about a 15-inch neck size. And that's what I made with the Darice bead weaving loom kit. And it's very pretty and very sparkly. I like it. I'm going to create some more stuff with it. But this is, I was going to do it, I said on the live stream that I was going to do a bracelet Then my daughter said, well, can you do a choker with it? So then I just adhered it to a ribbon. See the back of it? How I did it. And that's the beading work on the front that I weaved. And it turned out really pretty. It's a really pretty choker necklace that I made my daughter. And there's other ways that you can make them. You just gotta figure out which way you're gonna make it. You can put like a hook closure, a beaded hook closure with a ball on the end like they show in the directions, or a ball closure. You can do it like that, but I like this, what I did with my choker necklace. And you know, a lot of people like to wear a choker necklace, the younger people. But this is what I made. And if you like a kit like this, you can get it from either from the company that sells it, or you can check at Michael's, because I think Michael's had some, but I don't think they might have a couple in their store. And yep, this here you can adjust it if you want to make it smaller. If your neck ain't 15 inches and it's a little smaller, you can put it in there and then like hang in the back. So this is adjustable from 12 to 15 inches. A 12 to 15 inch neck. And that's the smallest you can make it. That's like a 12-inch neck. And then 3-inch more chain, like I said. And it's really sparkly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be blessed. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.